Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to show you how to use your Keurig coffee maker. Let's get into it. Make sure you place the coffee maker in a safe location. Avoid a location that is cluttered. This coffee maker is going to get very hot and it has the potential to start a fire. Also, plug it into its own outlet to prevent the blowing of fuses or tripping a circuit breaker. So first thing you want to do is pop off the water reservoir and then fill up the water. The lid just kind of rests on top and comes off very easily. If you look on the side, there's the max fill water line. That's where you want to put your water at. The instructions suggest you do not overfill the water reservoir or add anything to the reservoir besides water. So once you're topped off on water, just go ahead and slide the container back into the coffee maker. There's the two prongs and they just slide right over top. And then go ahead and place the lid back into position. There is extremely hot water in the pod holder during the brew process. To avoid risk of injury, do not lift the handle or open the pod holder assembly during the brewing process. So go ahead and make sure your coffee maker is plugged in and that there's power to the outlet, and then press the power button. It's the green light at the top. The brewer will automatically begin heating the water. This will take about 4 minutes. You can hear the heating sound, and when that stops, then the brewer's ready. Go ahead and take your container, cup or mug, and place it underneath the brewer. There's 3 different sizes to choose from: a large 10 ounce, a medium 8 ounce, and a small 6 ounce. So next, you'll want to lift the handle and place a K-Cup pod in the K-Cup pod holder. Do not remove the foil lid on the K-Cup. There are needles inside, and they will pierce the cup and then allow the hot water to go through the coffee. Close the lid completely, and then select the size. Your coffee maker will automatically begin brewing. The brewing process takes about a minute to complete. Caution, there's extremely hot water in the pod holder during this process. So to avoid injury, do not lift the handle or attempt to mess with the coffee maker while it's brewing. When everything's done, then you can go ahead and then you can remove the used K-Cup. Your brewer automatically turns off after about 2 hours after the last coffee. Regular cleaning keeps your brewer running smoothly. Always be sure to turn off and unplug your brewer before cleaning. Okay, so my coffee's done brewing, so I'm going to go ahead and lift the lid and dispose of the K-Cup. There's no messy filters to try to clean with this Keurig, so that's really handy. And if you want to brew another cup of coffee, it takes about a minute, and then it'll be good to go again. You can purchase water filters that filter the water before it goes into the coffee maker. Also, you could use this reusable coffee cup if you had a bag of coffee you wanted to use. You just place the coffee in the reusable cup, close the lid, and then put it in the holder. If this information was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.